Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. In this video I am going to show you beef mixed parts curry and marrow vegetable curry. I bought perfectly clean but uncooked beef parts from the shop. This is a very healthy recipe, can make in very less time. Outer skin of the tongue will need to be removed, so I am going to boil it first. Add some salt and water. It takes at least 2 to 3 hours to well boil, but I don't have much time, so I am going to boil it for only 1 hour. Adding marrow pieces, sliced onion, green chilies, some salt, pepper powder, turmeric powder and water. Cover and cook in medium-high flame for 10 to 15 minutes. This is beef spleen. This is a good source of vitamin B12, iron, protein and helps to increase the hemoglobin level in the blood. So buy and eat this as much as possible. I think it's done. Take out and then remove the skin. It's not very well cooked, so I had to use knife to peel off the skin. Heat oil in a pan. Add all spices, green chilies, curry leaves. Add crushed cumin and garlic. Mix it and saute well. Add shallots, some salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, then add 2 tablespoon homemade chili powder and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Mix it well. Then add tomato pieces. Now I am going to add beef mixed parts pieces. Mix it well. Add little water and mix it again. Then cover and reduce heat and cook for 10 to 15 minutes till the all parts is cooked. Marrow is well cooked, let it mash a little. Then add 1 cup of coconut milk. Mix it well. It's a very quick and simple recipe. I have used green chili and pepper to give a spicy. This recipe doesn't require any masala. For this recipe, now let's saute some ingredients into a heated pan. Add some oil, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds. Add crushed garlic and cumin. And then add some curry leaves. Saute well. This is the last step. Then add into the curry. Give a mix. Marrow curry is done. Now beef mixed parts is done and well cooked. Finally add 2 tablespoons pepper powder and give a mix. It has a different texture. I am really enjoying the flavor of beef parts more than any meat. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Bye.